We are sorry to interrupt the programming on this channel. Please tune to channel 10 for more information.
This message was transmitted from request of Santa's workshop. The Department of Defense has issued an Evil Santa alert until further notice for the entire world. Santa has gone evil while sorting out the naughty or nice list. His elves say he was poisoned while drinking spoiled milk. He has already left the North Pole and is on his way to the USA. It is believed that the presents all contain bombs. So, if you get a present, please do not open. If you do, it might explode in your face. This is why we made this alert, to make you all aware that Santa has gone crazy. I am pretty sure you are all aware of that. But this is just a word of warning. Please take action now. We were encouraged to inform you, so take action now. This is a serious issue. Please, whatever you do, do not make cookies for Santa. Please lock your doors and cover up your chimneys now. See, this is what the emergency alert system was made for. If you own a gun, get it out now and prepare for the worst. Again, the Department of Defense has issued an Evil Santa alert for the entire world. Oh, Merry Christmas and Happy Holidays. It doesn't matter anyway, Christmas is ruined.